Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner from Inte.Team. Guys, we have a parcel. You know by the title that we have a parcel that just came in, so I thought I'll share it with you. Now, it's 58 because it's 58 adapters supposed to be. Okay, so before we will open the box, let's go to this. You see here, view order details, yes, and this with 58 adapters. So that's what we should have. You can read about all of it, yes. You can read about all of it, not a problem. And why I do believe that, you know, I had a good deal, yes. So I paid in total $208, yes. The prices vary, of course, if you will go maybe now and you will put 58 adapters, yes, that's 118, but that's plus, you know, that's not only the that's 155, you see. So it's depending when you buy it, and now it's a pretty much good time to buy it. None, I don't see, yeah, I don't see more adapters. Okay, so that's all I can say to you. It's cheaper, yes, it's to be true, like quite a bit cheaper. I will add it one and pay, add to cart, and I will go now. Oh, that's added to the cart. And if I will add to the cart and I will try to go for one, now I would pay $129.47. Okay, so it is cheaper. Yes, well, it is what it is, you know. I can't buy another one just because I want to buy another one. So that's what it is. Now what it is the programmer that it's a fulfillment towards FOT4 programmer. My technician who does the laptop repairs, yes, like board repairs. He's specializing in board repairs, and so not only the laptop, as well game console boards, yes, sometimes other types of boards, but it's more of those devices. You can see collection of various adapters. We know some of those, yes, some of them are new to us, at least to me. Oh, that's what I need. emmc, and what it is, I've got no glasses, can't see. That's what it is, that's what you get. Yeah, TSOP 48, that's exactly what I need. TSOP 48, there's like so many of them. I need to learn about them to know which one it is and make a list of which ones I have, which one I don't. That's SOP 8. Oh, and you get many this. Now what you've got in the box is quite a bit. Universal programmer. So this one is FOT4 is good for KBC and chip, yes, and chips for the laptop. Hold on a second. Sorry guys, the customer came to collect fixed laptop. So what I'm trying to say is there is a difference in between FOT4 and this programmer. This doesn't have KBC communication. It's capable, but it doesn't have. So it's good to compare them, yes, like even ask those chats or Google it, yes. ESD safe. If you're into those things, you've got VGA to VGA cable. You've got, oh, suction, I've got this. It's not always great, but it's capable, yes. So suction tool, that's not adapter, by the way, but I assume it's a gift, so thank you for the gift, yes. Next, a USB-A cable, printer cable, the same way like FOT4 has. Now these are not adapters, these are just PCBs. solder onto. But okay, I can see what's what. It's a lot of them, and these are wow. You've got LVDS cable. I ain't see that coming, yeah. LVDS cable, haha. So yes, a lot. And here you've got typical like KBC. I've got those here. The connectors 0.5 mil and 1 mil 10 out. So I could do this. I don't like those. These are not always working fine. Alligator type of clip. But hey ho. And then you've got those like regular plug. Oh sorry, a regular plug and number of those. So guys, you see it's quite a few things in this set. I will try to test it. I will try to see how it operates. I'm using Ubuntu Linux. I don't use Windows. On Spot 4 I had to use Windows and I didn't like it. I will try to use it only on Linux and see how it operates. I've got few eMMC memory chips which I'm thrilled to now place on it. Those packaging which I showed you. If you'd like anything to be tested with it, you can let know in the comments. I doubt anybody will do it, but for now I'll go and I'll find a time where I can literally make the proper test of this. I'm not even hiding it properly because it won't be out, it will be here. And I've got only one power supply which I need to work on. Apart from that, I could do it because I'm just tidying up that back, yes, and moving racks and so on. So I will try to find time and I will try to record at least one video how I'm operating this programmer, yes. Thank you guys for watching. As always, music will be attached in the description what I've created. See you in the next video. Bye bye.